SUDZZfx. We believe that hair should reinforce and complement your personal style, make a statement and express who you are. Since 2002, SUDZZfx has been driven by science and focused on fashion, serving up premier blends that help make a styling statement. We provide advanced haircare solutions with premium performance in every drop. Each product has been crafted to protect, nourish, and reconstruct every strand of hair, leaving it better than it was found. Sophisticated science, real results. Beauty with conscience. Science and beauty doesn't mean filling products with junk. We do not include ingredients which compromise the structure, moisture level, or integrity of hair. Results for all hair types. Every formulation delivers instant results on any texture, thickness, or style of hair. Your style will hold up to any conditions Mother Nature throws at you. Why should you use our products? High-quality ingredients. Our products are friendly and safe for color-treated hair and human hair extensions. Our ingredient selections are chosen to stimulate the regeneration of cells while scavenging free radicals and promoting ongoing healing and softness. We are sulfate-free. Premium performance from the first to the last drop. Hair healers. Our chosen ingredients. We source the best in natural hair healers in the safest way to guarantee performance of our formulas on a consistent basis. Every stylist and their client will experience premium performance from the first to the last drop with our botanical ingredients. Sandalwood. Renowned for its antiseptic properties and its ability to provide deep nourishment to the scalp and increase the growth of shinier, healthy hair, sandalwood contains smoothing, defrizzing, and moisturizing properties. Cucumber. Known for its anti-inflammatory, irritant effects, cucumber has polysaccharides, polyphenols, glycosides, vitamins, amino acids, and minerals. It's one of nature's greatest soothers with antioxidant properties for free radical protections. Parsley. Loaded with B12, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, beta-carotene, folic acid, and iron, parsley provides moisture, and is anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antiseptic, astringent, nourishing, healing, and helps boost hair growth. Asparagus. Asparagus is the richest source of essential vitamins and minerals, including folate, vitamin A, C and K, and vitamin B complex. It has been shown to stimulate hair production and is one of the best superfoods for balding. 3D Repair Complex. We offer powerful products for everyday hair repair that tackles the only three main levels of damage. 1. Interior. Replenishes missing proteins to strengthen and add structural stability. 2. Exterior. Nourishes the surface of hair and normalizes pH for luminous and mirror-like shine. 3. Moisture. Restores essential moisture levels to hair and scalp with liquid crystallized honey. Shampoos. Skin-grade ingredients and 3 times the lather. Our shampoo collection is designed to give perfectly cleansed locks for any hair type. Our shampoos complement our entire conditioner collection and can be mixed and matched. Cashmere Hydrating Shampoo. Delivers a strong dose of moisture while creating shine, silkiness, and manageability. It's richly hydrating and perfect for hair that tends to be dry. Lather this incredibly creamy shampoo into wet hair and rinse thoroughly for the sophisticated feel of cashmere. Follow with any SUDZZfx conditioner. Nirvana Purifying Shampoo. Removes excess styling and environmental buildup without drying. This shampoo can also be used as a clarifying wash to remove mineral deposits such as chlorine. Lather this clarifying shampoo into wet hair and leave on for 1 minute before rinsing thoroughly. Leaves your hair in an enhanced state of nirvana. Follow with any SUDZZfx conditioner. Whipped Cream and Honey Volumizing Shampoo. Strengthens hair as it works to pump up each individual strand, adding body and bounce. It's the ideal shampoo for finer hair textures. Lather this volumizing shampoo into hair daily and rinse thoroughly. Leaves hair as sweet as can be. Follow with any SUDZZfx conditioner. Smooth It Frizz Taming Shampoo. Features a luxurious sulfate-free formula. Enriched with apple and sweet cherry, smooths straight, wavy, curly or coarse hair and leaves it more manageable with mirror-like shine. Delivers nourishment to the root, creating a hydrophilic and hydrophobic humidity barrier to keep frizz out and hair health in. Blonde Ambition Luxury Brightening Shampoo. A brightening shampoo that utilizes a true blue pigment that eliminates brassiness and yellowish casts on blonde, gray or silver hair while improving hair inside and out. Follow with any SUDZZfx conditioner. Conditioners. Skin-grade ingredients and intense nourishment. Our collection of conditioners is designed to give perfectly nourished locks for any hair type. Our conditioners complement our entire shampoo collection and can be mixed and matched. Aquafix Hydrating Conditioner. The ultimate hydrating conditioner for extremely dry, moisture-starved hair. It smooths and soothes while defending against daily environmental stress. Smooth It Frizz Taming Conditioner. Delivers a rich dose of essential daily hydration. A luxurious formula, enriched with apple and sweet cherry, smooths all hair types and leaves it with mirror-like shine. Delivers nourishment to the root, creating a hydrophilic and hydrophobic humidity barrier that blocks frizz, protects from thermal damage and keeps moisture in. Enhance Weightless Conditioner and Detangler. An ultra-light blend for all hair types to detangle and smooth for easier combability. It surrounds hair with all-day protection and adds body without weight. Moxie Reconstructing Conditioner. Provides nourishment and restores weak, lifeless, critically damaged hair. It rebuilds, revitalizes and restores, offering instantaneously renewed, stronger hair. Serums. Reduce frizz, add shine, or straighten your hair using our line of serums. From serums to mists, our line is perfect for a variety of hair needs. Smoother style and luxurious shine. Zenith Frizz Eliminator. A polishing, smoothing serum that's alcohol-free for brilliant shine and frizz elimination. It protects and conditions while sculpting a look that is humidity resistant. It can be mixed with any styling product. A drop or two will slightly soften the hold, as well as condition, seal the hair and add incredible shine. Level Straight Straightening Potion. A humidity-resistant, alcohol-free formula that successfully straightens both wavy and extremely curly hair. Our exclusive complex restores the hair and defends against daily environmental stresses while taming frizz. Liquid Luxe Luxury Mist. A lightweight, leave-in treatment mist that repairs and prevents splits ends, while adding brilliant shine. While protecting the hair from thermal damage, it also contains green tea to help reduce environmental aging on the hair. Mist on dry hair for lightweight brilliance or to freshen hair in between shampoos. Gels. Our collections of gels range from offering volume, shine and intense definition, in one easy step. Add volume and definition. Blowout Volumizing Spray Gel. The ultimate alcohol-free spray gel specifically developed to add body, volume and shine in one easy step. Create tremendous volume while maintaining vital moisture balance. Zephyr Volumizing Gel. An alcohol-free, medium hold gel to create volume and hold, or to provide exceptional body, smoothness and thickness without flakes. Creates fabulous body and is great for sculpting, smoothing and contouring. Chisel Hard Rock Gel. Offers extreme hold and control that allows for dramatic spike and slicked back looks. It dries fast and never flakes and can be used on wet hair for volume or on dry hair for texture. Do not blow dry unless cocktailing with other SUDZZfx styling products. Styling cream, paste, pomade. Cocktail, combine and blend. Finish and style with our collection of styling cream, paste, and pomade. Ideal for all hair types and styles. You can cocktail the collection for a look you will love. Lemonade Dreams Volume and Shaping Cream. A lightweight, concentrated cream for styling and finishing. It finishes any style with long-lasting body and includes styling memory with a natural finish. It can be used on wet hair for volume or on dry hair for texture. Rowdy Paste Matte Texture Finish. a lightweight movable sculpting paste that provides flexibility for shaping and styling damp or dry hair. Marmalade Jazz Dry Gel Texturizing Pomade. A unique high-shine, flexible pomade to design and define soft curls, or style and finish with texture and bold hold. It designs and defines curls and waves, all while offering 100% humidity resistance. Hairsprays. Spritz your way to happy hair. Our hairsprays offer a great selection of flexible holds. From shine, hold, and humidity resistance, we have something for you. Aerofix Finishing Spray. A unique hairspray in a gel base. This one-of-a-kind finishing spray helps to build and then finish any style with shine, and adds styling memory flexibility for a look that is 100% humidity resistant. Airplay Designing Spray. An ultra-fine, dry working spray that provides soft, touchable hold. Works great with a curling or flat iron to create humidity-resistant, lasting styles. Spray evenly over dry hair and style with hot tools. Spray again to finish. Mousse. Pump up the volume. Our mousse offers a finish with a light refracting natural shine and a style that lasts. Power Foam Styling Soufflé. A rich, creamy, non-aerosol mousse amps up the volume from root to ends. Offers workable, flexible, weightless styling options without the kind of flaky, gummy, crunchy and unnatural finish you hate. As the new innovators of SUDZZfx, Beauty Concept Group is dedicated to continuing to exceed the highest standards and expectations of the industry with quality, color-safe formulations, cutting-edge technology, education resources, service and design. As we look to the future, our commitment is supporting your artistry. Your canvas awaits. Beauty Concept Group. Thanks for watching.